I've been doing YouTube for 2 years now, but it's the last 12 months that has really changed my life. Today I'm going to talk about how YouTube's changed my life in the last 12 months, my YouTube journey, and where I see myself and the channel going. Now, I started YouTube in January 2022. However, it's only in the last 12 months where YouTube has seriously changed my life. But let me explain from the very beginning so you can understand my YouTube journey. Now, when I first started YouTube, I actually did it on cars. So what I'd do is I'd find any good car and I'd review it, or I'd make a video around it, or I'd do some vlogs around cars. So pretty much my whole YouTube channel was on cars. Now, if you're a subscriber from those early days, you'll know that everything I did was just about cars. And the main reason I did my YouTube channel around cars was because I bought my very own Mercedes E53 AMG. I had wrapped it in purple, I made it very special. So I thought that'd be great to do a channel around my car and just make different videos around it. So initially I started this YouTube channel with a friend. So I'd do videos on his car, and then we'd do videos on my car. We'd also make videos comparing each other's cars. The channel wasn't really taking off, but it was slowly growing. And unfortunately, my friend just wasn't putting any effort in the videos. When it came to creating the content, it was pretty much all me, and he would just feature in some of the videos. So at this point, I had done YouTube for about a year on cars, and I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. So it took me literally a year to get 1,000 subscribers. What then happened was me and my friend fell out and we went our separate ways. Now, as the channel was in my name and as I was pretty much doing everything with the channel, I then continued making videos on cars and various other topics, but it just didn't make sense for me to continue doing that. At the end of the day, I love creating content, but I eventually wanted this to be a business. I wanted to do YouTube full time and make money online because my goal was to move to Dubai. And this is where I changed my niche to the finance niche exactly 12 months ago, and this was the best decision of my life. And my videos went from reviewing cars to then talking about how to make money online. So what I then started doing is researching ways to make money online and then just making videos around those topics. Now, not only did my channel grow faster, but I was really enjoying making the content. And not only that, but it was extremely profitable and it made me some serious money online. I remember back in the days when, I was doing a 12-hour shift and I'd work on these videos after my 12-hour shift, and then I'd get like 2 hours sleep and start at 7 a.m. the next day to do another 12-hour shift. Like, honestly, it was extremely difficult. It was very hard. I'd be editing all night, I'd be filming the day before, and even during work, during my lunch break, I'd be editing these videos. Now, bear in mind, these are extremely early days. These were the days where I wasn't making any money. My views were extremely low. And even though my views were low, even though I wasn't making any money doing this, I still decided to work extremely hard. I never took a day off. Every single time I had some free time, I'd work on my YouTube channel. And back then I didn't see any results, right? It was just me blindly putting faith in and working on it and hoping that one day it will become something profitable. But now I can finally see the fruits of my labor. In the last 2 to 3 months, I've made more money online than I have ever made before. And now, because of YouTube, I'm able to earn a stable income online. And guys, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, yes, I have finally moved to Dubai. And doing YouTube in Dubai is just something that's incredible. It's something I've always wanted to do. And I would argue it has made moving to Dubai so much easier. YouTube has allowed me to make money online, do what I love, and move to the country of my dreams. Sometimes I literally just sit down and think that 12 months ago I was making no money and I was working so hard on those videos. Honestly, those times were really tough, but looking back at it, it was so worth it. For me at the time, to make videos was extremely difficult because of time commitments. And what would happen is I would sacrifice my sleep and I'd work on videos whenever I had free time. Literally, I never took a day off working on my YouTube channel to build it to what it is now. And even though now I only have 2,400 subscribers, which is nothing when you compare it to some of the big channels, but just what this 2.4k subscribers has brought me is incredible. Literally, you don't need 10,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers to make good money on YouTube. The way you make money on YouTube is by diversifying your income. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far and you do want to help the channel out, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, before I even started YouTube, right, I was extremely camera shy. I hated being in front of a camera. I didn't have good speaking skills. My confidence was extremely low. But now, ever since I've started YouTube, ever since I've decided to come out my comfort zone, ever since I decided that, I'm going to make content for the first time, I'm going to work hard on this, not only has my confidence improved, not only has my speaking skills improved, not only has my content creation skills improved as well, but overall, my life has improved dramatically. I know for a lot of people, being a content creator is their dream job. And trust me, I've seen the potential and how much money you can make on YouTube. Honestly, it's crazy. I also want to give out a massive shout out to Joshua Mayo because he's the reason that I decided to do finance videos. So Joshua Mayo, if you're somehow watching this, I just want to say thank you. Make sure you guys tag him in the comments below. So I just want to say, if you are looking to start YouTube, if you are looking to get into content creation, then I cannot recommend doing it enough. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be extremely hard. You've got to be prepared for that because YouTube is a long game. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. You're gonna have to work extremely hard over long periods of time. And I know a lot of you just don't want to get in front of a camera. You're scared about how people are gonna perceive you, and you might not be good in front of a camera, all of that kind of stuff. All I would say is don't worry. If you do want to do YouTube, all you have to do is start. Because unfortunately, you need to get out of your comfort zone. This is the only way that you will grow. Trust me, I was the worst when it came to being in front of a camera. I was extremely introverted and I just hated being in front of the camera. But again, it's something that you will learn over time. It's something that you will improve over time. And making YouTube a business, trust me, you don't need tens of thousands of views or tens of thousands of subscribers. You can literally make money with even 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. I am proof that you can make a part-time or a full-time business out of YouTube by just having a few thousand subscribers. Now, if you do want to start YouTube and you want some help on how to start, choosing your niche, how to monetize, etc., I can help you with all of that. I want to gather as many like-minded people like myself who are driven to work hard and want to succeed by making money online. And if that sounds like you, then make sure to join my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. I help members make money online through YouTube and various other ways. So if you do want to join that, make sure you click my link in the description. So all I can say to you guys who want to start YouTube, just start and don't keep delaying it, because trust me, that's exactly what I did, and I regret not doing YouTube sooner. The best time to start YouTube has gone, but the next best time is today. So whatever you do, just make sure you start. Just start and you'll be surprised where it takes you.